compromise na kaday hakano produkto.
The Entrepreneurship Development Center (EDC), in collaboration with the IQAC of Bhoi College, inaugurated a 3-day awareness program on Entrepreneurship Today, theme Exploring Opportunities. The event, which began today, will continue till August 21st. Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi, Abhilash Baranwal, attended the event as a chief guest. The program will include participants from local villages, schools and colleges throughout the district. In his address, the DC emphasized the importance of youth aspiring to be job creators rather than job seekers.
It's easy to say that start your own business. It's easy to say that become a job provider. However, the Entrepreneurship Development Center, as I have been given to understand, is basically to provide you the same confidence. The objective of this EDC should be to provide you the necessary toolkit, and through that toolkit the necessary confidence so that you can venture out in the unknown journey.
The